Chevys, man. Silver, Galaxy Silver. Buick thing, Galaxy Silver. Impala thing, Galaxy Silver. And the newest member to what up, y'all? It's the boy MC the Shiznit. Oh man, been rocking with a strip boat. A 99 Tahoe, two-door. Look at that boat right there. So it was stripped, man. What I did was beat it, and turned it with those vice grips from Walmart. I was trying to turn it with these little bitty cheap ones, but it wasn't working. So I beat it with this, the sculptor thing, because we got new pins. So, buy out. Now I'm finna smack the pads on and the new pins, and we Gucci, man. I'll be back when I'm done. Oh boy, okay. About to put the new rotor on, got the new pads locked and loaded. Let's do this, man. Put these pads on, man.
My soul. I'm 2 months out the joint on papers, walking with 3 years parole. I did 4.5 slab, and a nigga was done. I'm finally back in the world, and it's hard, but I'm still trying not to fall and risk my freedom again. Trying to ball while waiting for this pussy and job to call. And it ain't hopping, I be tempted to hear the things popping.
One-handed, y'all, so I'm finna throw the caliper back on, and I'll be right back.
But the evil in his eye, let me know real nigga too focused. That be my motive for murder.